So I'm Erez Schweppe. I'm VP Business Development of airtouch Solar. What we do is develop, manufacture and sell robotic cleaning solutions for PV solar plants. The technology consists of a powerful wind blower and a gentle microfiber that clean the modules. The robot goes on the panel frames, and for the lifetime of the project, with the daily cleaning, it will both clean and protect your modules. We have solutions for fixed and tracker structures. We operate mainly in India and in Israel, where we have production plants. We have a track record of over 2 gigawatts already, working with the top-tier developers like Renew Power, EDF, Avada, Hero, Juniper, and other main developers in India, as well as in Israel, companies like Enlight. And we have accumulated a lot of know-how. We think we have the state-of-the-art, the best solution in the market. For tracker structures, as you can see in the video here, we have an autonomous vehicle that mobilizes the robot to the trackers while they are operating with no disturbance to the tracker. We can work with different systems like Artec, Soltec, Next Tracker, and we provide a very good solution with a fast payback period for tracker structures. And we will be happy to communicate with whoever is interested, of course. Thank you.